Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you, kids? Yeah, you are all are fine. Yes. Now, before going to the topic, I'll say you some warm-up exercise and good habit, children. You should listen that and you should follow that. Understood? Okay. Everyone, sit in your place. Sit. Stand. Jog. You know jog? To jog. 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 Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jog. Jog. Jump. Stop. Jog. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jog. Stop. Jump. Jog. Stop. Jog. Stop. Jump. Stop. Okay, listen carefully. See, everyone are eating proper food. Really? You people are eating proper food? Are you listening your parents? Whatever they give in food, are you eating? Boiled egg, everyone is eating? No, few members will not eat boiled egg. They didn't like inside the pot as that yellow color part they did. No one likes. Few members will eat, but few members they will say, I'm getting vomiting, no need. Like that they will say, yes, but don't do like that. You should eat that. Full egg you should eat. If you eat full egg, you will get calcium, proteins. Understood, children? Your bones will become strong. Daily you should drink milk. Daily, morning and evening you should drink milk. If you drink milk, you will get calcium, children. Your bones become strong. You want to become strong, otherwise you want to become weak. Which one you want, tell me? You want to become strong, yes? Then you should become strong. What you have to do? You should eat boiled egg and you should drink daily milk. Morning and evening. Understood, children? Yeah, children. Coming to the point. Patterns. As last previous class also I told you patterns. Today you should write workbooks. Open your workbook, everyone, and already I gave you homework for you people. Yes, that works. That is right or wrong. You should check. Okay, children. Okay, page number 7 open. Lesson pattern. Chapter number 2. Patterns. See, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a pattern that is usually found on carpets? See, which pattern is there? We can see in the pattern on carpets. Which pattern? B. Option B. Okay, next. Which of the following is a pattern of window grills? In this, which is the grill pattern? B. Second one also B. Turn the page. Page number 8. Which of the following is a pattern that is found in nature? In nature, which pattern you can find? See, which one? See in this. Which one, ma'am? Behave. As behave pattern. D. Remaining are artificial. D1 is nature. Understood? Next, multiple choice question. Which of the following pattern shows alternate circles? Alternate circles. Which one is shows? 0, circle and triangle. See, alternate. Which one? 0 and triangle. Which pattern is there here? A. Fourth one is A. Fifth one. What is the set of basic shape S in the pattern? Here, which is the basic shape here? D. Fifth one, D. Sixth one. Which number will come next in the pattern? Here see 4, 10, 16, 22. S. Which one is next pattern? Which will come? C. What here they did? Tell me. 6, 6. They added. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. Understood, children? See. Fill in the blanks. Seventh one. What you have to do here? 2 plus 2, 4. Yes. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. This is seventh one. Eighth one. 20 plus 10. 30. 30 plus 10. 40. 40 plus 10. 50. Understood, children? Next. A pattern using 2 squares and a 1 rectangle can be dash. What is that? A pattern using shapes. What is that? A pattern using shapes. Understood? What here? Pattern using 2 squares and 1 triangle can be. What we call that? A pattern using shapes. Yes. What is that? Square and triangle is shapes. Yes. The pattern are using shapes. What shapes? Shapes they are using. Not numbers. Shapes. Understood? Next. Draw very short answer questions. Draw the set of basic shape S in the pattern given. Here they given some pattern. Yes. You should draw the basic shape. Understood? Next, 11th one. Create a pattern using the given 3 shapes. They given 3 shapes. Yes. Again you should create. Understood? Again you should draw. This is set of pattern. Yes. We are using this and we did pattern. Understood, children? Next, 12th one. Complete the given growing patterns. 110, 120. After 10 you should increase. 130, 140. Understood? Right? Check it properly. Yeah, next question. Short answer questions. What is a pattern? 13th one. What is a pattern? Tell me, children. Already you know. Yes? Answer I am writing. Okay? A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a certain rule. Rules. See, pattern. What is meant by pattern? A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a certain rule. Understood, children? What is the pattern? A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a certain rules. Write in the workbook. Next, see, draw a pattern using the given two figures. They given the figures. Yes, they given here star. You should draw a pattern using this. These figures you should use. Again, you should draw the pattern. Understood? You should draw. Okay? Like this you should draw the pattern. Okay, children? Do number patterns follow the rules? If yes, name any two types of number patterns. Yes. 14th one. Yes. Do number patterns follow the rules? Yes. Number patterns follow the rules. Yes. Now, patterns in numbers follow some rules. Some rules as the two types of numbers pattern are the pattern with even number and the pattern with odd number. Understood, children? See, the patterns with even number and the patterns with odd numbers. The two types of patterns in numbers pattern. See, what is that question? Do number patterns follow the rules? Yes. If yes, name any two types of number patterns. Yes. Patterns in numbers follow some rules. The two types of numbers patterns are the pattern with even number and the pattern with odd numbers. Okay, children? You should write this in the workbook. Maybe people didn't write. Yes, I know. See. Page number 10. Long answer questions. Complete the next 4 terms in the following patterns. See what they given. A 4, 8, 12. As next 4 you should complete. See here what. Here see, in this number, in the 4, they added 4. As if you add 4, 8 will come. In the 8, if you add 4, 12 will come. In the 12, if you add 4, which number will come? 16. In the 16, if you add 4, 20. In the 20, if you add 4, 24. In the 24, if you add 4, 28. Understood, children? Next, B. 6, 9, 12. We should find here. In the 6, which number they added? 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Understood, children? See, you should check first which number they added. Understood? Now, see, 11, 22, 33, dash, dash. See, fill in the blank. You should fill these blanks. See, here what they added, 11 numbers here. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 11, 55. Yes, 55 plus 11, 66. 66 plus 11, 77. Understood, children? Next, here, see once. 21, 24, 27. Here also, what happened here? Here 21 is here. If you add in 21, how many numbers if we should add? 3 numbers if you add, 24 will come. In the 24, 3 numbers if you add, 27 will come. 27 if you add 3 numbers, 30 will come. In 30, 3 numbers if you add, 33 it will come. In the 33, if you add 3 numbers, 36 will come. In the 36, 3 numbers if you add, 39 will come. Yes? Okay then. Next, this is 15th one. Okay, children? Now, 16th one. 16th one. What is that? Same like that only. 8, 16, 24. You should do this. See? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 8, 48. 48 plus 8, 56. B. 7, 14, 21. See? 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 7, 49. See, 12, 24, 36. See, 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 36, 36 plus 20, no, sorry, 36 plus 12, 48. 48 plus 12, 60. 60 plus 12, 72. 70 plus 12, 84. Okay. Next. 13, 26, 39. Dash, dash. Here they given like this. See. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 38. 26 plus 13, 39. 39 plus 13. How much? 52. 52 plus 13. 65. 65 plus 13, 78. 78 plus 13, 91. Okay, children. I hope you people are understanding. Yes? See, children. 17th one. Find and draw the basic tail in the following tail patterns. This is tails patterns. Yes, you know tails? Yeah. This is tail. Which is the basic shape of this pattern? See, triangle. Understood? This pattern, this square. Understood? Next, look at these tail patterns. Draw the shapes used in these patterns. See, what is this tail pattern? Which shape you should draw? This one. Understood? This shape, triangle you should draw like this. See, like this. A, B. You should write like this. Understood? Long answer question. What is the shape of the basic tail in the following patterns? See, here they given patterns. S. What is the basic shape of this pattern? Diamond shape. This is arrow. This is, see, like this. Like this you should draw. Understood, children? What is tiling? Where do we see tiling? Do we see tiling patterns in parking area? 20th one. Question number 20th one, ma. See, covering the surface with flat shapes such as tails so that these are no gaps is called tiling. Understood? We see tiling of floors and roofs in many places such as offices, house, hospitals and so on. We see tiling patterns in parking areas. See, what is tiling? Covering a surface with flat shapes such as tails so that these are no gaps is called tiling. We see tiling of floors and roofs in many places such as offices, houses and hospitals, so on. We see tiling patterns in parking area. See, here they given 3 questions. Yes, not 1, 3 questions. What is tiling? Where do we see in tilings? Do we see tilings patterns in parking area? 3 question answers I wrote here. See, what is tiling means? Ear to ear tilings. Okay, covering surface with flat shapes such as tails so that these are no gaps is called tailing. This is first question answer. Next, we see next question answer. We see tailings of floors and roofs in many places such as offices, house, hospitals, so on. This is next question answers. Okay, third one. We see tiling patterns in parking areas. Yes. Copy it. Children, page number open 12. Complete the following patterns. See what they given. 21st question. A 1A 6B 11C. Next, which number will come? 5 numbers here added. S 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 5 16. Again A B C. C after D. S. Next here 16 plus 5, how much? 21. E. 21 plus 5, 26. F. Understood, children, what I am doing here? Next. 1A. 5C. 9E. S. What you have to do? See here, again here what happened? 4 numbers here added. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Here see what happened? A here is there. Next here missed B. Here wrote C. Here D missed E wrote. Here G will come. Here 17 I. Here 21 K. Understood, children? See, long answer questions. Form patterns by following the given rule. They given some rules. What is the rule? First rule, repeat each shape twice. What you have to do? You should repeat each shape twice. A. Again you should repeat. You should read the rule, means you can do properly. S. Without reading rule you can't do. See. Next. B1. What is that? Begin with 2. Begin with 2. Okay. Add 2 and subtract 2. 1 alternately. Understood? What you have to do? You should add 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Again what you have to do? And subtract 1. You should subtract 1. What will come? If you subtract in 1, minus you should do. Subtract means what? Minus. 1 you should do. Minus means 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. Again you should add. What you have to do? Again 3 plus 2. How much? 5. Again what you have to do? Subtract 1. Here 4 will come. Okay. And again you should add 2. 6. You should minus 1. 5. Understood? Again you should add 2. 7 will come. Again you should minus 1. 6 will come. Yes? Like this only if we do means what will happen? It will continually. And so on you should write. Okay? Understood this? What they said, you should start with 2, again add with 2 and minus with 1. Okay? You should start with 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Again what you have to do? Again you should add with 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Like that. Understood, children? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, how much? 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Like that. Understood? See children, this is your homework. You should do in workbook. Do the page number 13 in workbook. Okay children? Do it in the workbook. This is practice questions ma. Okay? You should write in workbook only answers also. Okay children? Do it in workbook. Bye children.